Hi guys and good morning. It's currently a Saturday morning and I'm on the way to the fabric shop with my sister. You all probably know by now that I absolutely love the Bramble patch. It's pretty much the closest quilting shop that I've got, even though it is an hour away. So first off, I've got to demist the car, as you can see, and then I'm driving to my sister's and then going in her car all the way over to the Bramble patch, so come along with me. I am famous last words, but I am going for wadding and some extra fabric for my temperature quilt, because some are getting low and I want to keep it stocked throughout the year, because I imagine the low temperatures now might be the evening temperatures in the summer. So no, the high temperatures now might be the low temperatures in summer sort of thing. So I need to stock up on that and wadding, and yes, I'll show you at the end of the video what else I purchased. Oh, I nearly got stung. I absolutely love this Tula pink fabric, and that fabric with the motif of the girl on here, I think that's amazing. I bought that as a scrap in a different colourway, so if you have any ideas of a project where I can use that whole motif, do let me know in the comments. They also have a really good selection of Liberty quilting cottons here at the Bramble patch. They don't ever really seem to have the Tana lawn of Liberty, but this whole section here is the quilting cotton, and it's always quite stocked with the newest lines. And they've obviously got all the example quilts that you can see there. It's just so inspiring, and I do really like the Liberty quilting cotton now. And this is the new Tilda collection. I think it's called the Jubilee collection. They've got it pre-cut in fat quarters singularly, or you'll see later in the video they've got it on the bolts and in a fat quarter bundle. And this whole section here where the fabric is bagged is like their sale area. They've got a mezzanine floor and it's just got all the scraps and sale fabrics. There's reduced fat quarters down to £2, and then I think like remnants, and these are probably just scraps that are left over from making their quilt examples, but they are really good value and you seem to get quite a bit in there. I did purchase some from here. You'll see at the end of the video everything that I purchased and what my sister purchased. They have a self-service like cafe seating area here as well, where you can buy a slice of cake, cup of tea and coffee, which is refill. And yeah, it's a really nice place just to gather your thoughts and think about your purchases. That's what we usually do. What have we got in our baskets already? Are we putting anything back or are we adding anything else? And it's just a really nice area, lots of example quilts as well. And it's just nice to have a bit of refreshments, isn't it? And as well, if you come with someone who isn't a quilter, they can sit in here while you browse. We're back! It looks way worse than it is, I promise. So we actually bought 2 lots of one in each, so that's making it look much more. This is my sister's bag and this one. So she actually bought a remnant of Eco Blend. I think it was cotton, but it's got a really nice, soft, almost, it does look a little bit rustic, but it doesn't feel it. It's really nice. And that was a remnant cut. And then I just purchased 1 metre of Hobbs 80/20, so just fairly standard wadding. So this is everything that I purchased. I purchased some of the scrap bags. I showed you that one in the video, so of course I had to get it. Just some nice colours that I thought, and ones that you seem to get quite a big cut of fabric in. And then I bought some small scraps just because of the value, really, and I love that scrappy patchwork type of vibe, so I'm always looking for bits to add to my stash so I can just pull out and add when I need to. This is the fabric that I needed for my temperature quilt. There was actually one that was missing. They didn't have any of it left, but I've ordered it online from somewhere else. And this is that Tula pink fabric that I've purchased with the lovely motif on it. And I would really like to use a project where it uses the whole motif. So leave me your suggestions in the comments. My sister bought me a thimble and this is my sister's bag. I've sped this up so because she bought quite so much so you can have a look at all the fabrics that she purchased. A real mixed bag, and it's really nice to see different types of fabrics that other people buy. So there we go. I really hope you enjoyed this little trip to the fabric shop with me and my sister, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.